Hi everybody, this is your excellent teacher, and the topic is describing people. Now this is just a quick, simple video, so don't be surprised if it's a little bit rough. Please check any words you need, stop the video to check if you need. Let's start. There are two basic patterns. It's important to notice the difference. She or he is plus an adjective. She is tall. But if you're talking about a part of the body like eyes or hair, she has beautiful eyes. He has short hair. Don't get it wrong. Very important. Let's move on. And another example here. When you are using the adjectives, you may give a little bit more information. She's very young. I'm a little overweight. Better not to say fat, but overweight is nicer. Né? A little is a soft way of expressing something. Not very overweight, a little overweight. And if you say, oh, she's short, that's a little bit unkind. So you may be more gentle and say, she's not so tall. It's a good way of speaking. Talking about people's clothing. What do people wear? Notice this young lady is wearing a red dress. It's important to use a when you're talking about one item. Be very careful with t-shirts or shirts. She's wearing shirts. How many shirts? Only one, so she's wearing a shirt would be correct. Do you notice this blue shirt is a little bit strange? It's only on the right hand. I didn't make that picture. She's wearing glasses. It's a little strange again, but anything which is two or more, glasses, shoes, pants, jeans, those have an S. You do not use a. Okay? Please try to remember that. It makes your English beautiful. Here are some words you may want to use. Take a look at them, and if you want to use them, go ahead. On the left are nouns, parts of the body, mostly all parts of the body. By the way, the word body is not so good in English. You should never say, she has a nice body. It's not nice. You could say a nice figure, which is about the same meaning, but more polite. The others are all adjectives, which may be very useful for you. Okay, here's an example. What a nice looking guy. So these are exactly according to the example I gave before. He is tall and thin. He has black hair. He also has a very small beard. You can say many things that he's wearing. He's wearing a brown hat. He's wearing a blue jacket. He's wearing a belt, a vest, blue pants and brown shoes. Many things. The next cowboy is a bit different. I guess he's a cowboy too. And I think we can say he's fat, but if you are more polite, you'd say he's overweight. He has brown curly hair. It's a little bit long. He has a mustache that's above his mouth. The other guy had a beard and a mustache, in fact, above the mouth and under the mouth. Okay, let's move on. Here are some danger points coming up. He is very smart. Smart means intelligent. He is a very smart student. Be careful for this one. There is a noun, student. So he is a smart student. She is a tall girl. Or she is tall. That's a danger point. And this one is really, well, I don't like it, but it's English. So we have to teach it. When we are asking about a person, the question is, what does she look like? Or what does he look like? And you cannot answer in the normal pattern. She looks like tall. So when we studied the Yes I Can lesson, I was very clear that you must use the same pattern. Here you can't. The correct question about a person's appearance is, what does he look like? What does she look like? And the answer is quite different. Here's the pattern we just studied. Okay? What does she look like? She's tall. She has blue eyes. She has short brown hair, etc. Please be careful for that one, because it's quite confusing. And this one, this is a little bit crazy. If you say he is long hair, that's it. The guy is long hair. You must say he has long hair, okay? That's the only way to say it. That's my work, my sakuhin that I created with a Word document. I'm sorry, it's not very beautiful. Okay, that's all. But please remember it, because you have to do some work with this for next week's assignment. Okay? Thanks for watching. Maybe watch it one more time and then you can remember everything. Good. Finished.